I'm Maria Taylor, and this is the HVAC Minute. Shipments of central air conditioners and heat pumps tumbled in July, down nearly 27% compared to last year, according to data from AHRI. AC units took the steepest hit, falling more than 30%, while heat pump shipments dropped 18%. Those numbers lined up with what we heard at the Morgan Stanley Laguna Conference, where leaders from Carrier, Trane, Lennox, and Watsco all said the residential HVAC market is facing one of the toughest stretches in more than a decade. Carrier is projecting third quarter residential volumes will be down over 40% year over year, its sharpest decline in more than 10 years. Trane is expecting up to a 20% drop, and Lennox pointed to tariffs, refrigerant shortages, and weak home sales as major challenges. Still, distributors like Watsco say pricing is holding steady, and they're investing in contractor programs now to help drive replacements when demand rebounds, which most leaders expect to happen in 2026. You can read more about the latest shipment data and what industry executives are saying about the market at www.achrnews.com.